Lesson 2, topic systems of linear equations, learning target, I can solve a system of linear equations using a graphing calculator. So first off, a system of linear equations is two or more linear equations graphed on the same coordinate plane. We talked about graphing these in our last lesson. And then the solution to a system of linear equations is an x-y pairing, or what we call a coordinate point or ordered pair. So we're just going to jump right into our example. We have our situation. Ms. Tidrick went to Target to get water bottles and fruit snacks for her students. The first trip, she bought 2 packs of water bottles and 3 boxes of fruit snacks and spent $14.47 before tax. This was not enough to last, so she went a second time and bought 5 packs of water bottles and 4 boxes of fruit snacks and spent $25.71 before tax. What is the cost of 1 pack of water bottles and 1 box of fruit snacks? So right here, this question at the end, what is the cost of 1 pack of water bottles and 1 box of fruit snacks, is what we don't know. We don't know the cost of water bottles, and we don't know the cost of the fruit snacks individually. So that first thing is to define your variables, because we're going to have variables, we're going to have things we don't know. Variable is just an unknown. So what we don't know is we don't know the cost of water bottles and we don't know the cost of fruit snacks. So now we're going to write a system of equations for our situation. So on the first trip, I bought 2 packs of water bottles. So I'm going to put 2x, because x would tell me the cost of water bottles. And then I bought 3 boxes of fruit snacks, so I'm going to add to that because I also bought those. 3y, because 3 times the cost of fruit snacks would tell me my total. And I know all in all, I spent $14.47. So that's going to be my first equation. We're adding the 2 things that I bought together and setting it equal to my total. Then on the second trip, I bought 5 packs of water bottles, so I'm going to put 5x, plus 4 boxes of fruit snacks, so I'm going to put 4y, equals, and then my total is $25.71. So now that I have my 2 equations, excuse me, I can solve my system. And we're going to use our online graphing calculator to help simplify the process. So in our graphing calculator, we're going to type our 2 equations. Our first one, 2x plus 3y equals 1447. And then our second equation, 5x plus 4y equals 2571. And now you can see right away where the 2 lines cross. We've got this point right here. So we know our solution is 275, 299. So right here, 275 is our x number, and 299 is our y number. Now we want to make sure we make sense of that. So x is representing the cost of the water bottles. So this tells me right here, this x value, is that for 1 pack of water bottles, it would be $2.75. So if I just wanted to buy 1 pack of water bottles, I would pay $2.75 before tax. And then this number right here, because y represented the cost of fruit snacks, if I just wanted to buy 1 box of fruit snacks, I would spend $2.99. So now we can answer our last question, which is question 4, apply. If Ms. Tidrick only bought 3 packs of water bottles, how much would she spend before tax? So we know that x is our cost for water bottles. So if I only bought 3 of those, I would be buying 3 times x, which would be $2.75. And then I would just need to figure out what 3 times $2.75 is, which is where our calculator comes into play. So we just open up a calculator, do 3 times $2.75 equals $8.25. So if all I wanted to buy was 3 packs of water bottles, I would spend $8.25. And that's all the notes I have for you, so go ahead and move on into your practice.